Okay, let's start. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this pattern multiple 4. So I'm gonna make 40, then I shall tell you this multiple 4. So viewers, I have 40 chains now. I'm gonna plus 2 more. 1, 2, 2. Yarn over 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth. In fifth, I'm gonna make double crochet. So this is a so easy pattern. I'm gonna make 3 double crochet, then chain 1, then same space, 1 more double crochet. Yarn over 1, 2, 3, skip 3 in fourth. 3 double crochet, chain 1. So viewers, I'm not feeling well. I think I have COVID, so my voice isn't really well. Pray for me, please. So 1 yarn over 1, 2, 3, skip 3 in the fourth again. So multiple 4. Make 3, make 3 double crochet, then chain 1, then same stitch. 1, 2, 3 in the fourth. So make 2, 3, chain 1, same space. So I'm gonna continue like this. I'll show you at the end. So where I am at the end, I'm gonna make double crochet here, 1 extra, 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 4. So where is here? Not here. I'm gonna make here. So this pattern will go in 1 row. 3, chain 1, same space, yarn over, next. Three, chain 1, same space, next. Chain 1, next space, chain 1, so viewers, I'm gonna continue like this, then I will show you at the end now. Okay viewers, yarn over, I'm gonna make here at the end double crochet. So again 1 2 3 4, chain 4, here same process, nothing changed. 5 3, chain 1, same space, boy, don't be silly. Chain 1, so continue like this. So chain 1, so viewers, nothing changed. I'm gonna continue like this. I will show you at the end this pattern. So viewers, I'm gonna stop my pattern in here. This pattern is so easy. I hope you understand. This is incredible and very easy. So I hope you will like this pattern. If you like, please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for a nice compliment. So it's a really pretty good pattern. This is the other side. And you can make this project very quickly, whatever you want to make. Baby blanket, poncho, baby's dress. It's a really pretty good pattern.